Electrocution on boats is a serious hazard that can occur with both low voltage 12 volt and mains voltage electrical systems. Understanding the risks and how to respond to electrocution incidents can significantly improve safety on the water. Electrocution can happen for various reasons, including faulty wiring, water ingress into electrical systems, or accidental contact with live wires. Boats commonly use 12 volt systems for lighting and electronics, but many also have mains voltage systems for appliances and shore power connections. Both types of electrical systems pose risks. 12 volt systems, while generally safer than mains voltage, can still cause burns, muscle spasms or cardiac issues if the current passes through the body. Mains voltage systems are far more dangerous, carrying a higher current that can cause severe injury or death. The risk is compounded by the presence of water, which can conduct electricity more effectively. If someone is electrocuted, immediate and careful action is required. Do not touch the person if they're still in contact with the electrical source. Turn off the power supply immediately. If turning off the power is not possible, use a non-conductive object like a wooden pole to separate the person from the electrical source. Once the person is no longer in contact with the electrical source, check their responsiveness and their breathing. If they are unresponsive and not breathing, begin CPR and call the emergency medical services immediately. Electrical burns can be severe. Cool burns with running water for at least 20 minutes, but avoid using ice or very cold water. Cover the burns with a clean, non-stick dressing, ideally a gel burn dressing, and do not apply creams or oils. Keep the person laying down, monitoring them for signs of shock, such as paleness, sweating, or shallow breathing. If they show signs of shock, keep them warm and comfortable until help arrives. Preventing electrocution involves regular maintenance and safety practices. Conduct routine checks of all electrical systems on the boat. Look for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage to wires and connections. Ensure all electrical systems are installed by qualified professionals. Use marine-grade equipment designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the marine environment. Install ground fault circuit interrupters with mains voltage systems. These can cut the power off quickly if a ground fault is detected, reducing the risk of electrocution. Keep electrical equipment dry and away from water. Ensure that all electrical enclosures are sealed and waterproof. Finally, appropriate safety equipment such as non-conductive poles and insulated gloves should be on board to assist in an emergency without risking further injury. Whether from a 12 volt or a mains voltage system, electrocution on boats poses significant risk. By understanding the dangers, knowing how to respond in an emergency, and implementing preventative measures, you can enhance safety on your boat and protect everyone on board from the hazards of electrocution accidents.